Here at McCormick Murphy, we offer personal attention. You'll be working with either myself or Jay Murphy directly. With the help of our experienced legal staff, we are committed to working with you and being there with you every step of the way. Many of our clients are seriously injured and are going through a hard time. Our goal is to put you at ease, give you respect, take the burden off of your shoulders, and obtain the fair compensation that you deserve.
Anytime I called, anytime I visited, they were always right there for me, very congenial. It was always a pleasure to come to the lawyer's house here, and it was never a pleasure to go into the hospital as many times that I had to.
If you're going through a divorce, you need a family lawyer. If you have a contract issue, then you need a contract lawyer. But if you've been harmed or injured in any way that was not your fault, you need a personal injury lawyer. At McCormick Murphy, we handle cases that involve personal injuries. We handle cases that involve serious injuries from the result of traffic accidents, wrongful death, slip and fall accidents, and injuries resulting from defective products. We also handle insurance bad faith claims.
After the accident, we called the insurance company. At that time, the vehicle wasn't running. We needed a rental car. We needed a tow. We had some minor issues. We needed to get some medical attention. The insurance company, from the beginning, gave me the runaround straight from the beginning. They were kind of hesitant with the claim.
Not all law firms are willing to take insurance bad faith cases. Insurance bad faith cases arise when an insurance company wrongfully and unreasonably denies the benefits that they know are due. Insurance bad faith cases come to us through referrals from doctors, from lawyers, as well as from former clients that we've represented.
We are not afraid to take a firm stand against large corporations or insurance companies. In fact, we've sued the largest insurance companies and corporations in the country. We will take cases to trial when necessary in order to obtain justice for our clients, justice that they deserve.
There was times I was in the courthouse there and couldn't even get somebody to talk to me. And you came to my aid and assisted me in that, and eventually got it all worked out.
Court system and trial system in this country takes time, and insurance companies are always dragging their feet. And Kirk was making sure that they weren't, and we were on top of it at all times.
Years ago, Kirk and I represented insurance companies and the defendants they insured. We were hired to represent the wrongdoers. We understand how they try to avoid responsibility and try to minimize the amount of compensation they rightfully must pay. Kirk and I started working together in 1990 and founded McCormick Murphy in 1995. We founded the firm with the belief that protecting the rights of individual consumers against corporations and insurance companies was the right thing to do. We feel that providing this service to Coloradans is a critical part of our community. It makes Colorado a better place to live.
Me and my husband both were very satisfied with the services that we received. That was actually one of the major reasons that we came back to McCormick Murphy. We felt that we did get a fair settlement for our case. We got everything paid. I mean, we didn't end up owing anything in the end. So I would say in all that we had a very good experience.
I would use McCormick Murphy again for any situation like this, involving injury or, where it wasn't your fault. It's hard to defend somebody when they're at fault, but when it's not your fault, I believe you guys can do the best job that anyone else can.
Helped my case out tremendously, and I think those the cash awards there were fair, and it's just that those bad years. You need somebody on your side, and I highly recommend McCormick Murphy to anybody here in Colorado Springs or the surrounding area.
At McCormick Murphy, we have offices in Denver, Colorado Springs, and Pueblo. We've handled cases throughout Colorado, including Durango, Trinidad, Lamar, and Alamosa.